Hi guys, welcome back to Nala's Journey. Welcome back. This is Jackie, aka Nala. Today is workout day. Here's the outfit for today. Purple hat, purple sneaks. Okay guys? It might be raining on the outside, but you know what? It's not raining in the mall, so I'm gonna get my workout on, all right? So join me guys as I get my workout on, okay? And glad that you clicked on my video, guys. I appreciate you so much. All right, so the rain doesn't stop me, guys, and I'm not here to shop. I'm here to work out, to go up and down the stairs. Okay, I'm here to exercise in this mall. I might be the only one in the mall just working out, just exercising, or just one of few, and you know what, that's fine with me, because I know what I'm about. I'm about exercising today. Guys, did you walk today? Did you go walking this week? Did you go walking on the weekend? Where did you go walking, guys? Remember, I told you guys about the importance of walking. So guys, join me in this walking journey. All right, I need some company out here. You know, drop me a comment. Where have you walked this week? What's your plan for walking this week? Hey, drop me a comment. I'd like to know what's going on with you. Huh? And if you like my video, you like my vibe, please press that like button and share this video. Share. Somebody needs some encouragement, guys, all right? Walking is so important, and there's a whole lot of people who do not walk, okay? So listen, encourage somebody today, all right? And for those people who are stuck in the house and find it difficult to walk, well, you know what? Just walking in your house, start that way, all right? Walk from the kitchen to the bathroom and walk from one end of the house to the next end of the house. Start walking like that. And before you know it, you'll be walking outside. Be encouraged, guys, be encouraged. Today's my walking day. I'm walking in the mall. I don't care what the weather is outside. Because you know what, guys? It's not raining inside the mall, not at all, okay? So there's no excuse why I can't go inside the mall and walk. Guys, this is Jackie, aka Nala, and I'm so glad, I'm so excited and happy to bring you guys along on this walking journey. All right, I'll see you in a bit, guys. Walk. See, guys, this is the stairs. I'm gonna go up them now. Okay. This is Nala's Journey. I came here to exercise. I didn't come here to shop. I didn't come here to browse. I came here to get my exercise on. So, thanks for visiting. Thanks for clicking on Nala's Journey. This is Nala's Journey. This is Jackie. Thanks for clicking on our videos. Please like, subscribe, and share our videos. Exercise. It's all about exercise. See guys, I just came out these stairs. Again, thanks for clicking on our videos. Please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. This is Nala's Journey. Jackie, this is Jackie, aka Nala's Journey. Thanks guys, see you soon. Time to go back down these stairs, guys. It's only stairs, and the stairs are good for us. So I'm gonna take my time and go down these stairs. I took my time, I came up, now it's time to go back down these stairs. It's all exercise, guys. This is Jackie getting her exercise on down these stairs. You guys, you got to look at the mall differently. I didn't come here to shop. I didn't come here to browse. I came here to exercise. It's raining, it's cloudy outside, but it's not raining inside the mall, so I can get my exercise on. Here we go, guys. I came down the stairs, see? Same stairs I went up, I just came back down. I try to walk the mall at least. Hey guys, I try to walk the mall at least twice a week inside the mall walking. If it's raining outside, if it's damp outside, I don't have any excuse not to walk because it's not raining in the mall. So here I go, getting my exercise on. I'm finishing up my walk right now, guys. Thanks for joining me. Thanks for clicking on the channel. Thanks for joining me, guys. It's Jackie, aka Nala. Thanks for clicking on our channel. I'll see you guys in the next one.